So one of my students asked me, Scott, can you teach me how to get arm catalepsy or arm levitations? And my answer is no, okay? There's two things that can happen with hypnosis. You can create forced hypnosis or you can have organic hypnosis. I always prefer the organic and natural way. So if you watch any of my past videos from a long time ago, there's a couple of videos I have around where I'm teaching a live training. I'm sitting there with a student and his hand starts to lift up towards his chin. Okay, and I can tell that's what my student watched. They want to know how I did this, okay? And all in all, I didn't do a thing. Organic hypnosis and this the arm levitation, the arm catalepsy, clients sticking to their seat, happens organically if you've got enough patience and allow it to happen. So the best thing you can do, instead of forcing it and telling a client to lift their hand and now it's stuck to the face, what you want to be doing is utilizing what happens. This is a big, advanced Ericksonian process. Erickson was just a genius at waiting for these organic arms to lift, the eyes to close, these natural organic things that would happen as a part of trance, and then he would utilize those things and make it seem like he created it. So even if I get an arm levitation during an ACH training online, I'm going to utilize it and make it seem like I created it, because then there's no resistance and it's natural and it's purposeful. It's there for a reason. If, however, I'm a hypnotherapist that's forcing my clients to visualize, forcing my clients to go deeper, forcing my clients to stick to their seat, which all of this is irrelevant anyway. You don't need to use any of that stuff. What am I now doing? I'm telling my clients what to do. Okay, the least powerful hypnosis you can have, the least powerful breakthroughs are when you're telling your client what to do, how to feel, what to see, what to experience. Instead, wait for this stuff to organically occur, which it will if you get enough patience and you know how to do the right sort of therapeutic process. Jump on it, utilize it, and make it seem like it was supposed to happen all along. And then almost like you can take the congratulations from it as well, because now it has a purpose. Don't force your clients to experience things. Wait for it to happen, utilize it, and it will go a long way for your breakthroughs as well. So if you want to know how to do the arm catalepsy, wait for it to happen naturally. If it doesn't happen, it's just not meant to happen. And that's what a lot of people think. When it comes to hypnosis, you have to have all these things happen in order to have a breakthrough, and you definitely don't. I rather wait for things to happen, jump on them organically, make it seem like I was a part of why it happened, and then utilize it for a purpose. If it shows up, it has a purpose. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter.